Today I'll walk you through exactly how to delete or disconnect a router module in Make so you can clean up your scenarios without breaking the automations you've already built. If this kind of content is useful to you, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get right into it. If you've been building in Make for any length of time, you've almost certainly reached a point where a router module is sitting in the middle of your scenario and you need it gone, or at least out of the way. The good news is Make gives you two distinct options, and knowing which one to use makes all the difference between a quick cleanup and accidentally dismantling a flow that was working fine. The first method is direct deletion, and this is what you want when the router genuinely needs to go. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click the router module. That single action removes it entirely from the canvas. It's fast, it's clean, and Make will detach the connected branches at the same time. Just be aware that deleting the router this way also removes its configuration, so if you had filters or conditions set on those branches, those are gone too. It's worth a quick look at your route settings before you commit, especially in a scenario that's already live. The second method is disconnecting, and this is what you want when you're reorganizing or experimenting but you still want the router on canvas. Instead of deleting it, right-click on each branch connected to the router, the ones on either side, and select Unlink from the context menu. This severs the connection between the router and the surrounding modules without removing anything. The router stays on the canvas, your other modules stay in place, and you can drag the router freely to wherever you need it. This is especially handy when you're mid-redesign and you want to keep your branch configuration intact while you work out a new structure. One quick tip: after you unlink, the router still holds all its branch settings. If you change your mind later, you can reconnect it without starting from scratch. And that's it. You now know how to delete a router module in Make with a shift click, and how to disconnect it non-destructively using Unlink. Two techniques that will save you real time as your scenarios grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.